Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from the Amazon. I just want to share my experience with you. The keyboard typing is a little bit noisy. You see, it's noisy. I just want to share here. I'm just typing now. Okay, you can see it's noisy, but the connection is enough fast. It's not it is not connected by the Bluetooth, it's by the Wi-Fi anchor. Here is the Wi-Fi that I show. It's like this. You should connect to a laptop. The good news is that this only you need one anchor for the mouse and the keyboard. The ergonomic, yes, but quality is upper than normal. It's good. You have a tiny key, it's on, and you can see it's very thin. It's very thin. The good news is thin, and it includes 3 tiny stuff here. It's useful on the smooth. Here is a charge on board. This and also the mouse is charged on board. The mouse sound is very silent. You can see I just click it. You cannot hear, it's very silent. The scroll is very smooth. Here is DPI changing 4 level. I like it. Here, this is the fast now. The other things I can tell that this is charged by USB-C here. As you can see, but the keyboard charged with the traditional USB, micro USB. What it's the good or bad point? Quality is good, upper than normal. The mouse is little ergonomic. It's not very ergonomic, but it's ergonomic good. The bad thing is all of this is onboard battery, because after the 2 or 3 years their battery life is dead. You should change as a trash, but most of the people change their keyboard in 2 years. The other thing, I just go ahead care about the mouse. You see it here is the 3 key, one up, dock at the back, and the 3rd key. It's not this. Yes, it's the home key. When you click it, you see it's the home key. It's gone like this. The back one is the DPI scroll. Totally, it's good. Really, it's good. The only thing, it's very sharp and narrow. I prefer it's not like the sharp here. Here, maybe cut your hand. It's very little bit sharp, but the rest of them is fine. And it's not the heavy. It's light. I'm using the Windows 10 and 11. It's work with all of them. It's the key. This quality is also good. Anyway, please let me know if you have a question. Thank you.